Hi, kindergarten. Win page. You're going to open to the next page in your win packet, and you have a 9 at the bottom left corner. Right down here, number 9. All right. And now let's go back to the top. We are going to be working with the word it, like, look. Right? We have been practicing the O says ooh, so that's look. And we have already learned like, right? It has the bossy, sneaky E at the end. That's why I is saying I in like. Good. Let's first find all of the its. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 its. So I'm going to write the number 5. Then I'm going to color in 5 of these bars, just like on our bar graph for weather on our morning meetings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means I need to color in all 5. And of course, do your best. Let me get a bigger marker so it makes it easier for me to color. And I'm going to color in all 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Colored in, colored in, colored in. All right, that's a little sloppy, so I'm going to erase it off of that. Okay, 5. Next, I am going to find all of the like. So, let me get a different color, like. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 likes. So that means I need to color 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 likes. Good. Hopefully you do a better job. Yes, there. All right. 4 likes. Next, let's do look. How many looks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So look and like are equal. So I'm going to put 4 of these. 4 likes. Good. All right. So after I finish finding the it, like, and look, I'm going to go down here and write the number that comes before and after. So what is the number that comes before 3? 4 is 3. What is the number that comes after 4? 5. I want you to do the same thing for 10 and 26. What is the number that comes before 10 and after it? Number before 26 and after it. Count the objects. Circle the group with the most. Again, I saw people forgetting to circle the group that had the most, and they were just only counting the objects and putting the number. So I want you to count each object. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue counting all the objects and writing the number in this square. Count all the penguins. Put the number in square. And then I want you to circle which one is bigger. Is it going to be the little men or is it going to be the penguins? And I want you to circle which number is the most. Down here, blend the sounds. Draw a picture of the word. Let's sound this out. B, s, bus. S, b, sub, sub. At, mat. All right, now I know what each one says. So now I can go and draw a bus, a sub. What is a sub? Like a sub sandwich, like a big long sandwich, or a sub like a submarine? You decide. I am so curious about which one you will draw. Does a sub mean a big sandwich to you, or does a sub mean a submarine? And I'm wondering what you're going to draw. And mat. Mat. Mat is like, right, like a rug, like a mat that goes in front of your door. All right, so when you are finished doing your your win page, I want you to go and post it on Seesaw. All right, good job.